BuzzSumo Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the BuzzSumo Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be diving into BuzzSumo's affiliate program, discussing how it works, its key features, and why it's an excellent opportunity for affiliates. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get started with BuzzSumo today. BuzzSumo is one of the most powerful tools in the content marketing and SEO space, widely used for content research, competitor analysis, and discovering trending topics. It allows users to find the most shared content, track social media performance, and analyze competitors' strategies, making it a favorite among content marketers, SEO professionals, and digital marketers. Whether you're looking to improve your own content strategy or help clients create high-performing content, BuzzSumo provides the data-driven insights needed for success. Now, let's talk about the BuzzSumo Affiliate Program. This program is perfect for content creators, digital marketers, and affiliates in the SEO space. The program offers recurring commissions, meaning you can earn income long after the initial referral. When someone signs up for BuzzSumo using your affiliate link, you earn a commission each time they renew their subscription. This makes it a fantastic way to generate passive income over time. BuzzSumo also provides affiliate partners with marketing materials, including banners, links, and email templates to help make the promotion process easy. The commission structure is solid, and since BuzzSumo is a well-known and trusted brand in the content marketing industry, you're promoting a tool that provides real value to your audience. The platform is ideal for marketers who need insights to improve content strategies and track their campaign's performance, meaning your referrals are likely to see success, making them more likely to stick around for the long term. To top it off, BuzzSumo offers excellent affiliate support and an easy-to-use dashboard to track your earnings and referrals. This makes it straightforward for you to monitor your performance and optimize your efforts for better results. In conclusion, the BuzzSumo Affiliate Program is an outstanding opportunity for anyone in the content marketing or SEO space to earn recurring income. With a solid commission structure, valuable marketing tools, and a product that delivers real results, it's an affiliate program you don't want to miss. If you're ready to start earning commissions while promoting a top-tier content research tool, be sure to check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.